Drones equipped with AI are changing the way farmers manage their fields. These unmanned aerial vehicles capture high-resolution images of crops, which AI algorithms analyze to detect early signs of disease, pest infestation, or nutrient deficiency. This precision allows farmers to apply water, fertilizer, or pesticides only where needed, reducing waste and environmental impact. AI also processes data from drones to predict crop yields with remarkable accuracy, helping farmers plan harvests and supply chains more effectively. By integrating real-time weather and soil data, these systems can even recommend optimal planting times. The result is a shift from blanket farming practices to targeted, data-driven decisions. For the agricultural industry, this means higher productivity, lower costs, and a smaller ecological footprint. The takeaway is clear: AI and drones are not just gadgets for hobbyists, they are becoming essential tools for feeding a growing global population sustainably.